Okay, here are your answers for number 3, A, B, and C. So I hope you tried them because it's really gonna help you if you do this with me when I tell you to in the video, okay? Let's look at these numbers because this one down here was tricky. It was trying to engañar you. It was a trampa. And I hope that a lot of people didn't have this as their answer without the 0. But if you did, it's okay because that's why we're learning it today. Okay, so look what it says. 16,235,516. You guys see that you have 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Then you'll have 1, 2 here. Remember, these places over here have to have 3 numbers always, okay? Over here, 25,411,635, okay? And then the tricky one, 89,023,000. Okay, guys, stop right there. You cannot have it without the 0 because it changes the whole number, okay? You can't read that as 23. It would change the whole number to where you would have the comma here, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and this would be 8,923,752, and that's not the number that you want. So when you hear 23,000 and you don't know what to do, well, first of all, write your 23. Write 23. And then put a 0 in the place that has no number, okay? You cannot put it right here. Because now what do you have? 230,000. That's not what you wanted. You wanted 23. So you have to keep it as 23 here. 3 is in the 1,000 place, 2 is in the 10,000 place, and put your 0 in the 100,000 place, okay? If you're confused, that's okay because we're gonna practice down here on number 4, okay? So get ready for number 4. We're gonna do a couple together and then I'll let you do a few by yourself. Okay, we're not gonna do all of them today. We're just gonna do A, B, C, D, and E. I'll do A, B, C with you and then we'll try D and E by yourself. Okay, look at the first one. I'm going to say the number. I'm going to say it 2 times in English, 2 times in Spanish. You're going to write the number that you hear. Be careful with your commas and be careful with your places, okay? Look at, go to letter A. 3,546. 3,000. I'm going to give you a piece that you hear the 1,000. Then you put a comma, 3,456. 3,456. 3,456. Okay, so let's do it together. Let's make sure that we got it right. 3,000, that's where you put your comma. 456. Okay, here's one that gets a little bit harder. 72,407. I'm going to give you a hint. There is a 0 in one place. 72,407. 72,407. 72,407. Okay, let's do it. 72,407. Did you hear anything in the tens place? No. So that's where we put the 0. Okay, there's a lot of zeros in this one, so listen carefully. 100,000. 100. 100,000. 100. 100,000. Ciento. 100,000. Ciento. Let's see how we do it. 100,000, comma, 100. Okay, a lot of zeros, but not too hard. Here we go, letter D and letter E. Let's see if you can do this by yourself. 25 411,635. 25,411,635. 25 millones. 411,635. 25 millones 411,635. And letter E. Here come a lot of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros in this number. 950, like 50, okay, not 15. 950 million. 3. Okay, be careful with that one. 950 million. 3. 950 millones. 3. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to check letter E and letter F. No, letter D and letter E, pardon. I'm going to read the number. You read your number and see if it matches, okay? So put your finger on letter D. Do you have 25,411,635? I hope so. If not, change it. Go back and listen to me say that number again. Okay, and then on letter E, do you have 950 million 3 with 6 zeros? Okay, we're gonna put it up on the board. Here we go. 25,411,635. And the other one, 950 million. 3, well 3, you guys, is all the way in the ones place, so we have to get there with zeros. 0, 0, 0. Nothing's in the thousands place. 0, 0, 3. Okay? We will keep practicing that on other pages, don't you worry. But look, you're already done with this page. So go over to page number 2. All I want to do is look at letter A and C together. Here we go. Look at letter A on the word problems. In the library, there are 5,329 science books, 7,314 history books, and 13,589 fiction books. How many books are there in all? Okay guys, in all, in total, what do? Sumar, restar, dividir, or multiplicar? You sumar, okay? You sumar. So be careful how you write these numbers down. Here we go. 5,329. 7,000, line it up with the commas. 7,314. And then 13,589. You can't do this. 13,589. No. You start over here. And make sure your commas are lined up, okay? So it's going to be 9 plus 4 plus 9, 2 plus 1 plus 8, 3 plus 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7 plus 3, and then 1 over here when you add them together. But I'm not going to do it with you because I know you guys can add. So I just want to show you how to set it up. And then look at letter C. Dylan spent $4.78 on a biography of Hudson Taylor, missionary to China. How much change did he get? How much cambio did he get from $5? Okay, be careful. Cambio. Well, think about it. If you go to the pulperia and you give the person money, you give them 20 lumps. And your churros were only 10 lumps. What's your cambio going to be? 10 lumps, right? You're not going to get more than what you gave her. So what do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. You subtract to get cambio, you guys, okay? But now you have to be careful. You have to write $5 with the .00. If not, you're not going to know how to subtract it, okay? And then you get your answer with your dollar sign. Make sure you're borrowing. I'm going to do this one with you so you make sure you're borrowing correctly. This one needs to be 10, but you can't get it from here because this one's 0, but you can get it from here. So this is going to be 4. This is going to be 9 because we borrowed 1 from it, and now you have 10 right here. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Point, don't forget your point. 4 minus 4 is 0. So you got 22 cents out of your cambio, not a gran cambio, okay? Just a couple more things and then we're almost done with this video. You don't have a video with me tomorrow, so I need to prepare you for Tuesday's homework too. Tuesday's homework, you guys, is going to be page number 4. Okay? But there's something on page number 4 that you guys don't know how to do yet, and it's add and check. Or you've learned it before and maybe you forget it. Okay, how do you check when you add? I'm going to teach it to you right now. It's super easy. All you do is first you add like normal. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. You put your 4 here and your 1 up here. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, then we check it. You check it by erasing that and adding up. Okay, here we go, add up. Put your 2 lines right here on the top and go 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Put your 4 here and put your 1 down here. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 9 is 18. Did you get the same answers here? Yes, you did. Oh, happy days. That's all you do for adding and checking, okay? The very last thing that you need to do for your homework today, remember your homework for today is just page 2. Tuesday is just page 4. But the other part of your homework for today is that you need to put these conversions on little flashcards to study them, because tomorrow part of your homework is to study these flashcards. What do you mean, Ms. Jessica? What do we do? This is what you do. On the front of your flashcard, you're going to write exactly what it says right here. How many seconds a line, seconds, equals 1 minute? Okay? Like this. How many seconds equals 1 minute? Okay, you guys tell me, how many seconds are in a minute? 60. Okay? So then what do you write on the back? You write your answer on the back. You don't want to write it on the front. How are you going to check? How are you going to test yourself? How are you going to practice them? How many seconds are in a minute? And then on the back you write 60. Okay? You're going to do that for each one of these for today. So let's go through the answers right now. But remember, put your answers on the back. Okay? La pregunta enfrente y en atrás es tu respuesta. Por favor, no pongan la respuesta en el frente or no pueden practicar. Okay. How many minutes are in an hour? 60. Remember your reloj. How many hours are in a day? 24. How many days are in a week? 7. And you're learning a Bible class this week why we have 24 hours in a day, why we have 7 days in a week, right? How many weeks are in a year? 52. How many months are in a year? 12. And how many days are in a year? 365. How many days are in a leap year? That's an año bisiesto. That comes every 4 years. There's an extra day, so 366. There you go. That's what you need to do your conversion cards on today. And then practice them tomorrow so you guys are learning them and remembering them, because you have your conversion sheet right here. And you can get the answers off of that. But you need to be learning them so you can do it fast without looking at any sheets. Okay? Very good job today, you guys. See you on Wednesday, I believe, for another video. It'll say it on your homework sheet. Okay? Love you. Bye.